Welcome back to Barbecue with Greg. Let's put that meat on the grill. Let's get started. Well, hello there, barbecue friends. Today, we're firing up the Louisiana Grills pellet grill here. We're gonna cook us up a nice pork loin. Now, a pork loin by itself doesn't have a lot of flavor, so I'm gonna show you a couple simple steps just to amp it up a little bit. So while the grill's warming up here, let's prepare the meat. I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, here's our pork loin. Let's unpackage it. It's a fairly inexpensive cut of meat. Here we have it. I'm going to start off by removing this fat cap. There, this should do it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice this open so I can unroll it. Okay, that should do it. What I want to do, put a piece of parchment paper down. I'm going to lay some bacon down. Just got regular sliced bacon here. Stretch that out, lay her down. There. Now we'll take our pork loin back out, lay it across our bacon. Now here's our mixture here that we prepared ahead of time. Get some nice caramelized onions, mushrooms, peppers. Get that all evenly spread out on there. Here we're gonna prepare a couple things ahead of time. I got a pepper, onion, some mushrooms. We're gonna melt down some butter in the frying pan. Add the onions, peppers, mushrooms. We're just gonna reduce that down. You'll know when it's done, when the onions are caramelized and it's just smelling delicious. Of course, we got butter, salt and pepper in here. Now we take our parchment paper, slowly roll this up. Move our paper. Here we have it, ready for the grill. All right, I set the grill up for 350 degrees. Let's open it up, get that meat in. I'm gonna use the wired thermometer from the grill here. Put that somewhat in the center of this. All right, we'll set that up in the grill. Carefully lift that up. There we have it. All right, we'll close the lid. All right, we're gonna let this go till we get an interior temperature of around 145. I'll bring it back then. Okay, we are just shy of an hour and a half here. Our interior temperature is now at 145. I'll take you in for a closer look. Oh yeah, this is looking great. Everything held together nicely. The trick is to pull this off without damaging it too much. All right, now we'll try to lift this off. Pull that thermometer out. I can take my spatula here and just make sure it's loosened. Look at all the juice coming out of there. Wow. Okay. Slide her onto the board. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover that with foil, let it rest for about 10 minutes. We'll come back for the taste test. All right, here we have it. Pork loin roast. Cooked on the pellet grill here, just under an hour and a half. Very simple cook. Took a couple of steps there. Butter flying that open, wrapping in bacon with all that goodness inside. Let's cut her open, see what we got. All right, here we have it. Let's slice her right down the middle. This thing is so juicy here. Look at that. Just beautiful. All right, let's take a slice off of this, see what we got. Boy, the water and juices are just fantastic here. Let's take a piece off of here. Oh, we got to get some of that stuffing in our bite here. Now you could stuff this, put whatever kind of filling you want. Think of it kind of like a pizza. Put whatever you want in there, but even add some cheese. A nice slice of this with some mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. Boy, you got yourself a great dinner. Well, if you enjoyed this cook, I appreciate you. Smash that like button. Of course, you want to see more of these cooks, click that subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Barbecue with Greg.
Thanks for watching Barbecue with Greg, one of those barbecue cooking shows people watch on YouTube sometimes.